Welcome back to the NexReel Home Show. I'm Jake, and today we are touring the Oaks, which is a 5-bed bespoke detached home in Rainham, Kent. It's developed by T&B Homes and it's currently listed with Harrison Reeve. We've just done next door, which is called the Gables, because it's got 2 gables, whereas this one only has the one. Very smart exterior. Absolutely love the brickwork against the render. You've got this huge aluminium pivot door. The house itself is 5 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, just over 3,000 feet. We're going to head inside and take a look. Let's go. So, entering the Oaks. Now obviously if you follow the channel, you'd have seen us do next door last week, which was the Gables. Very similar, however, the main difference is this entrance hall. So whereas with the Gables, we've got both front bedrooms inside those gables, they've got the vaulted ceilings. We've got this double height vaulted ceiling in the entrance hall in this house, with obviously the chandelier, same chandelier as the house before. That sort of dice shaped chandelier. Look up, you get dizzy and almost fall over. You've got the balcony area obviously there, so you've got guests coming over for dinner. You could stand up there, let yourselves in, I'll greet you from the balcony. Cool, what a way to live. Let's head through into what would be your dining room, or snug, if you wanted to have it as a snug. Can't wait to take you down and show the kitchen in a little bit, but we're just going to focus on these front rooms to start with. You've got this beautiful paneling on the wall there, and obviously same as next door, you've got the light decor with the black accents on the doors, absolutely beautiful. Big windows, loads of natural light coming in. You can look out onto your driveway, which by the way is gated and big enough for probably 4 or 5 cars if you're good at squeezing them in. Let's head through to the living room, whereby over on the wall here you've got your fittings for your TV. So stick your TV on this wall here. You've got plenty of space for your sofa, whether you want to have, corner sofa in there, or a U-shaped sofa, or you want to have just a plain sofa and a chair, or whatever. You've got so much space to be able to play around with this room as you need. Obviously TV on that main wall. You've got the frosted windows either side. Again, these 4 windows here letting loads of natural light in. And of course you've got this lovely soft carpet. So let's head through to show you the study and downstairs toilet. And as we do, come back into the hallway, you get a sneak peek of the kitchen. Don't look. You've got these lovely tiles on the floor. These are Italian ceramic tiles, 1 metre by 1 metre. Huge, huge tiles, they're absolutely beautiful. We go through where we've got your study. You could use it as a study, or as we mentioned with the house next door, you could have it as a kid's room. So like I said, the house next door, which we toured previously, that's a very, very, very similar layout. The main differences being obviously over there, you've got the gables either side of the house. So you've got your bedrooms and the gables. Whereas with this one, we've got that central gable, which obviously gives you that lovely entrance hall. Automatic lights in here, apparently. Got your toilet downstairs, floating basin, window again, frosted. We all know how a toilet works. And then, before we head to the kitchen, downstairs storage, stick Henry in there, he loves it. Plenty of room for your coats and your shoes. And just one last thing before we go to the kitchen, we're just going to head back up the hallway to just, for a moment, admire this staircase. So it's a bespoke staircase, individually designed for this property, as well as its twin property next door. You've got the black staircase with this beautiful sort of light cream coloured runner going up. You've got the glass balustrade obviously heading up there as well, but it's a real sort of statement feature of that hallway, as well as that double heighted vaulted ceiling. Let's head into the kitchen area where you've got this beautiful glass panel doors. Again, black doors. All the doors throughout the house have that black trim or are just black doors with the light decor, which is absolutely beautiful. So, kitchen. Underfloor heating, which currently isn't on. It was in the hallway, but it's not in here. So the feet are getting a little bit colder now. But you've got underfloor heating throughout the ground floor, obviously. Quartz worktop, where we've got your dishwasher, you've got your sink, you've got this beautiful wine cooler as well. We've got your twin fridge there, and below, as you'd expect, you've got your twin freezer as well. And then we work our way back along the worktop. You've got these lovely LED strip lights here, and your AEG hob integrated into the quartz worktop. Again, integrated cookers, ovens. Lovely job. You've got loads of storage, loads and loads of storage. And I absolutely love, like I said in the house next door, absolutely love the gold trim on the handles. And then under the breakfast bar here, you've got a bit more storage. A few more shelves behind those cupboards. Again, you've got the golden sort of trim handles, but this time, rather than being against sort of the white cupboards, you've got this lovely dark, sort of dark grey, blackish type cupboard doors, which complement that gold trim very nicely. Obviously gold trim on the tap, and you've got the beautiful chandelier, low hanging lights there. And then we move from the kitchen into this area, which you could make of whatever you want. So I said in the house next door, I would have it as sort of a living area, huge rug, big sofa, TV on the wall, coffee table, the lot. This one, feel free, do the same thing. However, plenty of space for that big old dining table. If you wanted to maybe make the front dining room more of a snug, you could have your dining table in here, loads of room for a big old table, fit all the family and friends round, TV on the wall. You've got these sort of ceiling to floor windows either side, letting a bit more light in. But the main source of that natural light, obviously, comes from these huge bifold doors. So again, light next door, 7. We're going to head out into the garden in a moment to show you that. But beautiful bifold doors letting in loads of natural light, absolutely flooding the kitchen with natural light. They're absolutely stunning. We're going to go out there in a second. First of all, just going to quickly show you this utility area where you've got room for your washing machine, your tumble dryer, you've got your tap, you've got your side door, got your storage space for your conditioners and whatever you need in here to get your washing done. Clean up your dirty dog if you've got one. No need to bring him through onto this lovely Italian ceramic flooring. Get the pores cleaned in there. Let's head outside to show you the garden. Right, so out into the garden. Shut the door, we don't want to let a cold in. We've got this beautiful white porcelain patio, which obviously runs the whole length of the garden. Again, you've got this step going up to the bifold doors. Around the corner here, you've got your bike shed, and obviously your access to the drive. Got your side gate there. And then we've got this really generous sized garden, lawn area, perfect for the kids to play on. You can have your slides, trampolines, swings, whatever. Loads of space for the dog to run around if you've got a dog. You've obviously got your landscaped area here for your plants. You've got some trees planted at the moment. We've got this lovely, beautiful, I think it's is it a fir tree? Whichever it is, it's a lovely tree. I'm not much of a horticulturist. And then up the top of the garden, we've got this little wooded area, which is still fenced in as part of your garden. But it's a little wooded area, which provides loads of privacy from the houses, which are obviously out the back there. You've got the side entrance, sorry, not side entrance. You've got a little gate in the wooded area, which leads through into next door's garden. So you might have family or friends that live next door. You might actually get to know and like your neighbours, and easy access round if they're having a garden party or whatever. And then as we just look back at the property, you've got just this beautiful glass front, obviously, where you've got the bifolds, and then you've got the 3 large windows. Absolutely beautiful. And as you can see, obviously, we've got next door's house here, which we filmed previously. You've got the brickwork on the oaks, and you've got the brickwork mixed with the rendering on the top floor over on the gables. Absolutely beautiful set of houses. We're now going to head upstairs to show you the 5 bedrooms and the family bathroom. So let's go. Right, so as you come upstairs, huge landing again. You've got the big gable at the front, and those windows letting so much light into this hallway entrance. This isn't the hallway entrance, this is the landing, same thing, except one's upstairs. You've got the skylight up here as well. Again, more light coming in. It's just an absolutely beautiful landing, this. Glass balustrades. We're gonna head to the front of the house to check out these 2 bedrooms first. So if we head in to here, we've got the first of the front 2, which is slightly smaller than the one across the hall, but that's because we've got your ensuite. So let's just quickly check out this ensuite. So we come in, you've got your floating basin, integrated WC, you've got your towel rail inside the shower, which is beautiful, this lovely recessed shelf, so you can put your shampoos and whatnot there, have your towel ready to go for when you get out. Heated mirror on the wall, so any condensation on there, stick the beep like that. Oh, it's got a light as well, who knew? There we go. So yeah, let's hope it is heated, it is. And then obviously with the bedroom, again, you've got this lovely soft carpet which runs throughout the upstairs. You've got your nice tall radiator there, plenty of light coming in. You've got your TV fixings if you want to get your TV on the wall. Absolutely lovely job. Loads of light. Let's head over the hall to next room, where this one opens up a bit more. There's no ensuite in here, so a bit more room to play with. Again, loads of room for your bed. You've got your sockets down there on the wall. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 sockets. So plenty of space for your electricals. You've got, again, your TV fixing on the wall here with your plugs. So make that 5 sockets. TV fixing on the wall, get your TV up there. Bed back here. I'd say put your bed between the 2 plugs. Bedside tables, phone chargers, lamps, whatever you like. Again, lovely big windows letting loads of natural light in. We've got your black door, which again, with that light interior is just a really nice touch. And then we're going to head to the back of the house, where we will find your family bathroom and 3 more bedrooms. So let's check out the family bathroom first. Rick, you're going to be seen in the mirror with this one for sure. So you've got your shower, you've got your towel rail, obviously your floating basin again, the toilet, heated mirror with the light, as we found out in the other room. And obviously the main feature is this beautiful bath. Got that lovely matte black effect, got the white interior, your waterfall tap, and just in case you needed reminding, the shower goes this way up. So done with the bathroom. We've got a bit more storage through there. Won't bother showing you that, it's just a cupboard, but you've got loads of storage in there. We move through into the first of the 3 back bedrooms. Loads of space again. TV fittings on the wall, large windows at the back overlooking your garden. So again, loads of light coming in through here. Wake up in the morning, appreciate the garden, appreciate sort of your little wooded area down there that we mentioned whilst we was down there. Lovely tall radiator again. And then you've got this frosted window on the side, bit more light, but loads of privacy. Let's head. We're not going to go across the way just yet because we've got the master. We always save the master bedroom till last. always save the master bedroom till last. This is the smallest of the 5 rooms, but still a very nice shape, size rather. It's a rectangle, which is also a lovely shape, but very nice size, perfect for the kiddies, loads of space for a single bed. Obviously, again, you've got your plug sockets down on the wall, spotlights in the ceiling. Absolutely lovely, perfect for a kid, or you could even have it as a home office if you need. And finally, we head into the master bedroom, whereby you have got so much room. Obviously, you've got the spot for your bed here. You can turn the lights on and off from in your bed. No need to get out of bed and go and switch the lights off. These beautiful doors here, Juliet balcony doors with this glass balustrade. Again, looking out onto your garden. You imagine waking up summer's morning, opening them doors up, that breeze coming in, listening to the birds sing, absolutely beautiful. TV fittings on the wall. So you obviously hang your TV on the wall there, lay in bed, watch TV. It's still got so much space for whatever else you might need here. I would say you could put a wardrobe here. However, you don't need it in this room. You don't need it. Because if you come through here, you have got this space, which is your walk-in wardrobe. So obviously you can get, your fittings on the wall, have your rails to hang your shirts on, loads of space. Another thing you could do here, if you've got a young baby who's still sleeping in the same bedroom, you could even have this as a small bedroom for the baby, have a cot in here. Technically they're in the same room, you can still hear them, there's no wall separating it. Great space as a man with young children. Really good idea for that. But most likely a walk-in wardrobe. So into the ensuite. Again, floating basin, recessed shelf in the shower. You've got your rainfall shower head, you've got your towel rail, huge mirror on the wall, and you've also got your frosted window here. So natural light coming in, absolute privacy, and then you've got your integrated toilet there. So that is all 5 bedrooms. Let's head out onto the hallway once more, onto the landing, sorry, just to appreciate the space. Let's get these lights turned on as well, if we can figure out how. So that's it. That is the Oaks. A bespoke 5-bedroom house with 3 bathrooms, just over 3,000 feet. This property is listed with Harrison Reeve. We'll put more information on them in the description. If you liked the video, please like, please subscribe. Let us know which one you prefer. Go and watch the video of the gables. Do you prefer the gables or do you prefer the Oaks? Let us know in the comments. But otherwise, like and subscribe, and we will see you on the next one.